Okay, so hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss to you on how you can hide certain menus on your GoHighLevel SubAccounts. So let's get started. So I'm here at a Go SubAccount, and I wanted to hide a few complaints or a few menus here for all of my SubAccounts. So this technique applies to all SubAccounts. We want to hide a menu that will apply to all SubAccounts. So all you need to do is do that through CSS. So what you need to do is find the CSS ID for each menu and hide them by CSS. For example, here, all you need to do is just right click on the particular menu and this window pop-up will appear. It's the dev tools and you need to find the A element, which is the HTML element for links. So find the ID for that, which is this. As you can see, it's SB underscore launchpad. So just copy it over and you do the same for everyone. So if I hover over these A links, A element, you can see that it's changing in the left side of the menu that I'm hovering. So you can see all the IDs for each vertical menus. Just copy it over. So I'm just going to open the notepad here. So for example, this one, and make sure that you add the hashtag key or the number key before that, and this is the CSS code that you need to display and then set it to that. So if you wanted to hide some more menus, so just copy over the other ID here. So for example, here, this is for the dashboard menu. You can actually just combine it by placing a comment and adding the hashtag key and then the stat. So you can add as many CSS IDs here, just separated with. So once you're done, just copy it over, head over to your agency dashboard again, go to settings, and under company, you will see the CSS, custom CSS boxing is painted over there, and then update. After that, once you go back to this and refresh this, you can see that they are all removed. So let's just, you can see that the dashboard menus will remove, the dashboard menus will remove, and also the characters. So this will apply to all your sub-accounts. So I actually have a blog post that gives you the list of CSS IDs for each menus here. I'm going to link it in the description of this video so that you can just copy this once and just perform the CSS hide styling. So that's it. It's very straightforward. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and you all have a great day. Goodbye.